Hi, this is Judd at White Wave Trading. Today's payroll Friday. It's 11:30. This morning, I've been bearish the indices all week. Told everybody not to buy them on that last rally, and you know on Monday, and I'm still looking for lower. Let's just put this up. On Monday I wrote, do not buy this rally at all. Wasn't interested in it. And we've been selling off these numbers. We came down to unchanged on the year, bounced a little bit, and we consolidated yesterday on the Globex session. And now we have an ORL day to the downside. NASDAQ bonds, that's breaking down. Came down to unchanged on the year. S&P bonds don't look good. That was the first time down into here. We got a 40-point rally in the S&Ps for a trade, and they keep failing. So the other, you can see the breakdown on the 150 by 3. So this is a really long-term point and figure, and that just tells you that this isn't the low. I'm looking for this eventually to go down to 5,700 and then lower. And it's going to go one level at a time, and I've already delineated those numbers for everybody in the room. Oil, put in a short-term top. And I called that out while we were trading up there. The beans are trying to break out, but I'm not buying the grains because I think it's the soybeans look really good on a weekly here, but I want this to prove itself before I get involved. I missed this morning. I think a lot of this was just a reaction to everybody trying to move their money into something else. The corn's up at the 400 week, don't want to chase it. And wheat is lagging, really lagging. NASDAQ, this is this 18-week average, and it's unchanged on the year. So this, below unchanged on the year. If this starts coming down, it's going to keep on going. All the lows in the NASDAQ, the S&Ps, all they've done is retrace the election high. I mean, this is the election high in the NASDAQ. It's got a long ways to go to get there, another 600 points. So it's coming down to some cloud support, and it's just a no-go for selling weakness. Okay, and the bonds, still bearish the bonds. Let me just get that up. Okay. Here we go. This is the Plaza Accord swing. This is the 10-year. But the big takeaway from this chart is that 4.059 was the opening yield in the 10-year treasuries in 1962. We're above it. This thing's going this way, which is higher rates. I don't see. I've had a long-term target in the 30-year, which is basically in the 7% area. Let me shrink this for you. Yeah, here's the life of 30-year bonds, bond yield, and that line right there is it opened up at 7.7%. This is going to try to go there, and that won't be good for stocks. And the feature for the last few days, let me go back to my quote board. And I featured this before, was this breakout in gold bonds above the all-time high. And it's just going. It's got much higher targets. Much higher targets. So there you have it. You know, if you want the information live and you want to trade with the swings, come on into the room.